Subcribe.
I'm super excited to bring you another Just Like Home microwave. This one's just a little bit different than the other ones I've been doing, but I'm sure it'll be just as fun. Ooh, I spy some pizza! The other Just Like Home microwave I did looks like that one. So here's the microwave taken out of the box. The door opens here, and this plate right here is gonna spin around. There's a pizza button, a soup button, one for popcorn, and one for pastries. These knobs right here also move, and each of the notches represents a different amount of time. So let me show you the food it comes with. Here's a delicious bowl of ramen soup, and one of my personal favorites, pizza. Ooh, a Cinnabon. And a classic movie treat, popcorn. Now let's get to cooking. We'll start it off with a pastry for the morning. I love the smell of Cinnabon. And here's our delicious warm Cinnabon, but it looks to me like it could use a little more frosting, wouldn't you say? Next up, we'll have some pizza for lunch. We'll just click this handy pizza button. I know some people really like cold pizza, but I prefer mine warm. That way the cheese is all melty and gooey. And here's our pizza. Next up, we'll have some ramen for dinner. We'll click on the soup button and press start. Waiting for my soup. Come on, hurry up, soup. Yay, it's finally done. That one for sure took the longest. And here's our hot bowl of soup. Now for an after-dinner movie with some popcorn. We'll click the popcorn button and get to poppin'. I love the smell of popcorn. Yum! Time to enjoy this with a movie! That movie was amazing, but time for a little late night snack, and I'm thinking some more pizza! I'll reheat it for 1 minute. Pizza, 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 pizza! Pizza's one of my favorite foods. Let me know in the comments what yours is. Pizza time! And here's all of the food we microwaved today. Well, this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.